June 2022, question number 7. What is the solution to 3 halves b plus 5 less than 17? Remember, we are solving an inequality, so we are going to have one variable on one side and then the number on the other side with an inequality. There are no equal signs. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite our inequality. So 3 halves b plus 5 less than 17. We're going to use PCVNA to solve. I don't have any parentheses, so I can simply cross off that stage. There are no like terms to combine, so I can cross off that stage. My variable is on one side, my b, but my numbers aren't on the other side. So I have to ask myself how to get rid of that 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides of my inequality. Notice I didn't say equation, I said inequality. So I have 3 halves b less than 12. Now, I get rid of the number attached to my variable by dividing. So I'm going to divide both sides of my inequality by 3 halves. Now, it's crucial that you use alpha y equal enter to make sure that you get it correct. So alpha y equal enter, I do 12 divided by alpha y equal, even I typed it wrong, alpha y equal enter, and I do 12 divided by 3 halves. Looks exactly as it's written. That's why you need to do alpha y equal enter. Now I hit enter, and I get b less than 8. So for this answer, it's going to be choice number 1. You can do this on the calculator. I'll show you in a minute. But before we go into it, I just want to write one little thing. Whenever you divide by a negative, you must flip the inequality. Whenever you divide by a negative, you must flip. So you must flip the inequality. So here's how you would do it on the calculator. So wait, before we do that, so if I divided by a negative 3 halves, it would have been b greater than 8, okay? Just to let you know. Now, here's how I would do it on the calculator. I go to y equals, I'm going to clear it. Make sure you're clearing your calculator as you go through the Regents. I'm going to do alpha y equal enter. I'm going to type this into y1 and then this into y2. So I have 3 halves x plus 5, and I'm just going to put my 17. Now I do second graph. And what we want to know is we want to know the values of b that will let us be less than 17. So what this is saying is that if I plug in 8, it won't be smaller than 17. So I go to 8, 17 and 17 are the same. So it can't be that. I mean, it can't be less than or equal to 8. If I plug in 7, I get 15.5, which is less than 17. If I plug in 6, I get 14, which is less than 17. Now, here's why it can't be choice number 2. If I plug in 9, I get 18.5, which is bigger than 17. So it can't be choice 2, can't be choice 3, and it can't be choice 4. That's how you do question number 7 for June 2022.